घड़ी, घ से घड़ी, घ से घर, घ से घड़ा और घ से घोड़ा और ण से खाली। बजाओ ताली। सबको याद है? ओके, आज हम एक हिंदी का नेक्स्ट अपना नया व्यंजन सीखेंगे, नेक्स्ट लेटर, जिसको हम बोलते हैं च। सब बोलो च। च बोलो बच्चों। च च
च
मेरे पीछे बोलो च।
च
च, ये देखो च, सबको दिख रहा है? च, ये देखो च। च देखो, च से क्या क्या होता है? देखो च, वेरी गुड, च से चूहा। च से चरखा, बोलो च से चरखा।
च से चरखा।
वेरी गुड। और चरखा पे क्या बनता है पता है? धागा बनता है, धागे से फिर हमारे कपड़े बनते हैं। ये देखो, गांधी जी यूज करते थे चरखा।
चम्मच।
वेरी गुड। अभी मैं बताती हूँ आपको, पहले आप चरखा देखो। च से चरखा, और चरखा हमारे किस काम आता है? चरखे से सूत मतलब धागा, धागा बनता है, उस धागे से हमारे कपड़े बनते हैं। ये देखा है ना, चरखा है ये, और इसके ऊपर ऐसा ये चक्री है, इसमें गोल गोल ऐसे धागा बनता है। तो च से चरखा। अब दूसरा शब्द है च से चम्मच। बोलो च से
चमच।
ये देखो
चम्मच।
हाँ, चम्मच से आप खाना खाते हो ना?
चम्मच।
मम्मा अच्छा अच्छा खाना बनाती है, तो आप किससे खाते हो? चम्मच। च से
चम्मच।
चम्मच। देखा सबने चम्मच? वेरी गुड। अब हम नेक्स्ट करेंगे शब्द च से। क्या है ये? चूहा। बोलो।
चूहा।
हाँ, च से चूहा। चूहा मतलब रैट, इंग्लिश में रैट बोलते हैं।
चूहा।
वेरी गुड, च से चूहा। और एक और है च से चाबी। च से
चाबी।
ये देखो, हम ताला खोलते हैं ना, लॉक, लॉक हम किससे खोलते बंद करते हैं? चाबी से, की से। ये देखो चाबी, च से चाबी। च से चम्मच, च से चाबी, च से चम्मच, च से चाबी। और च से चरखा, और च से चूहा। च से चूहा। मेरे पीछे बोलो, च से चम्मच,
च से चम्मच।
च से चाबी,
च से चाबी।
च से चरखा,
च से चरखा।
च से चूहा।
च से चूहा।
तो अभी हमने च से 4 शब्द सीखे, चम्मच, चाबी, चरखा, चूहा। अब हम च को लिखना सीखेंगे। बच्चे अपनी स्लेट और चौक निकालो प्लीज। सब बच्चे स्लेट और चौक निकालो। सब बच्चे इधर देखो और स्लेट और चौक निकालो अपना। चलो अभी ध्यान से देखो, सबने निकाल लिया स्लेट चौक? वेरी गुड। अभी इधर ध्यान से देखो मैम को पहले आप।
आरामशीर करायचं म्हणजे रोज सांगतो
इधर देखो पेरेंट्स, प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ। देखो बच्चों, जो हमारी हिंदी की ये लाइन्स है 5, जिसमें 3 ब्लू लाइन्स है, उसमें हम अपनी सेकंड लाइन से च लिखना स्टार्ट करेंगे। सब ध्यान से देखो। ये देखो, जो हमारी सबसे पहले सेकंड लाइन है, उसके ऊपर हम छोटी सी एक स्लीपिंग लाइन डालेंगे। ऐसे एक स्लीपिंग लाइन डालो छोटी, सेकंड ब्लू लाइन के ऊपर। देखो ये फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन है, उसको छोड़ो, और सेकंड ब्लू लाइन के थोड़ा ऊपर एक छोटी स्लीपिंग लाइन डालो। सबने डाला? अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप देखो, ध्यान से देखेंगे सब बच्चे। अब हमने जो छोटी स्लीपिंग लाइन डाली है वहां से हमें एक कर्व बनाना है। देखो, जो ऐसे ऊपर जाएगा, उसके बीच में से घूमता हुआ ऐसे गोल घुमाओ और उसको ऐसे ऊपर ले जाओ, हाफ ऐसे बनाओ सर। पहले एक स्लीपिंग लाइन, फिर हाफ कर्व जो अपवर्ड जाएगा ऊपर की तरफ, और उसको छोड़ दो, जैसे हाफ सर्कल कंप्लीट नहीं करना। बना लिया? उसके बाद ध्यान से देखो, उसके पास ऊपर से जो फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन है वहां से हमें एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन डालना है ऐसे, जो कि उस कर्व के एंड को टच करके आए ऐसे। एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन जो फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन, सेकंड ब्लू लाइन और थर्ड ब्लू लाइन को टच करके फिनिश हो जाएगी। वेरी गुड। अब उसके बाद जो ऊपर हमारी फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन है वहां पे स्लीपिंग लाइन ऐसे। ये देखो, ये हमारा क्या बन गया? च। च से चम्मच, च से चाबी, च से चूहा और च से चरखा। लिखा सबने? शोमी दिखाओ बच्चों। वेरी गुड अथर्व, वेरी गुड अथर्व, वेरी गुड। थम्स अप फॉर यू। वेदांश, वेयर आर यू? वेरी गुड स्वराज, वेरी गुड। 4 टाइम्स आपने लिखा है, मच बेटर देन फर्स्ट। वेरी गुड। वेदांश, शो मी। Wow, very good. Thumbs up for you. Good children. Very good. All are rocking. Very good. Abir, show me. Sharvari, good. Shanaya, please show me. Swara. Abir. Very good, Sharvi. Very good, Abir. Good boy. आज आपको इसकी वर्कशीट आएगी, then you have to practice. Very good, Swara. Try to write dark some. Chirag, show me. Nitya. Karanveer. Show me. Very good. Good boy. Swara, show me. Nitya. Nitya, Chirag. Very good. सबने लिख लिया? Shanaya, show me yours. Very good, Chirag. Very good. Swara, very good. You are doing very best. Very good. You all are rocking. Very good. Very good, Shanaya. Show me. Good. Try to write dark, beta. Nitya, very good. It's very right. Very good. Now you have to do practice at your home today. Now put your slates down again. Come on. Now today we are going to learn one more letter. अभी हमने क्या सीखा था? च। च से बताओ क्या क्या सीखा है, जल्दी जल्दी बताओ सब। कौन बताएगा? च से क्या है ये? ओके। और च से ये क्या है? वेरी गुड। तो च से हमने सीखा च से चाबी, च से चम्मच, च से चरखा और च से चूहा। अब हम एक नेक्स्ट लेटर सीखेंगे, उसको बोलते हैं छ। बोलो छ। लुक हियर, छ। सब बोलो छ। छ। हाँ, छ। छ से देखो क्या क्या होता है। छ से छतरी। लुक हियर, छ से छतरी, बोलो छ से छतरी। ये देखो छ से छतरी, ये देखो छ से छतरी। छ से क्या होता है? छतरी, अम्ब्रेला बोलते हो ना आप, हिंदी में इसको छतरी बोलते हैं। छ से छतरी, छ से छतरी। तो छ से क्या क्या होता है? छ से छतरी और छ से छड़ी। जो हमारे घर में एजिड होते हैं, दादा दादी जी, नाना नानी, वो छड़ी लेके चलते हैं ना। ये देखो छड़ी, छ से छड़ी, एक लकड़ी की बनी होती है स्पोर्ट के लिए, इसको बोलते हैं छ से छड़ी। बोलो छ से छड़ी। और छ से छत, छ से छत। आपके घर के ऊपर आप जाते हो तो छत होती है ना, टेरेस बोलते हैं जिसको, वहां से आप खड़े होके सब नीचे देखते हो, खुला खुला सा स्काई दिखता है। तो छ से छत, छ से छत। वेरी गुड, छ से छत। और छ से छलनी। ये देखो छ से छलनी, छ से छलनी। ये देखो छ से छलनी, ये क्या है? छलनी, इसको छलनी बोलते हैं छ से। इससे मम्मा सूप छानती है, इससे मम्मा जूस छानती है। सबके घर में है ना? देखो ये छोटा भी होता है और बड़ा भी। छ से छलनी, बोलो। हाँ, ये देखो इस छोटा से हम चाय छानते हैं ना, छ से छलनी, छ से छलनी। और छ से छतरी। ये देखो छ से क्या है? ये छ से छतरी, छ से छलनी, छ से छतरी। और छ से क्या है? और छ से देखो, छ से छत, छ से छतरी, छ से छड़ी और छ से छलनी। अभी हम छ सीख रहे हैं। अभी चलो दोबारा से अपना स्लेट और चौक निकालो। सारे बच्चे स्लेट और चौक निकाल लो प्लीज। अब हम छ लिखना सीखेंगे और सब ध्यान से देखो इधर मैम की तरफ। कम ऑन सी। सबसे पहले जो हमारी ब्लू लाइन से 3 उनको देखो, और उसमें जो हमारी सेकंड ब्लू लाइन है वहां से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे एक ऐसा छोटा सा कर्व, ऐसे। सब बच्चे ऐसे हाफ कर्व डालो सेकंड ब्लू लाइन पर, हाफ कर्व ऑन द सेकंड ब्लू लाइन। लिखा सबने? गुड चिल्ड्रन, ध्यान से देखो। अब उसके बाद जहां पे हमने ये कर्व छोड़ा था, जिसका वहां पे जहां पे एंड है, वहां से हम एक और कर्व लेंगे। ध्यान से देखो, ऐसे नीचे जाएगा, जो हमारी थर्ड ब्लू लाइन पे जाएगा, टच करेगा, ऊपर जाएगा, सेकंड ब्लू लाइन से बाहर जाके ऐसे एक सर्कल बना के छोड़ देंगे। सेकंड ब्लू लाइन से स्टार्ट करो और थर्ड ब्लू लाइन पे टच करके कर्व को ऊपर ले जाओ। अगेन सेकंड ब्लू लाइन पे टच करके एक सर्कल बना के बंद कर दो। जैसे हमने घ लिखा था ना उल्टा 3, वैसे ही है ये। ट्राई टू राइट चिल्ड्रन। लिखा सबने? मैं 2 बार सिखाऊंगी ये। अभी देखो, इसके ऊपर जो हमने सर्कल बंद किया है उसके ऊपर फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन से एक छोटी सी स्टैंडिंग लाइन डाल दो। जो हमने सर्कल क्लोज किया है उसके ऊपर जो हमारी ब्लू लाइन है फर्स्ट, वहां से एक छोटी स्टैंडिंग लाइन, देन एक स्लीपिंग लाइन यहां से ऊपर, इसके ऊपर एक स्लीपिंग लाइन, बन गया हमारा छ। बोलो छ। छ से क्या क्या सिखाया मैंने? छ से छतरी, छ से
छतरी।
ये देखो मैंने छतरी बनाई है ना। छ से छतरी, छ से छलनी, छ से छत और छ से छड़ी। एक बार और ट्राई करेंगे हम। लुक हियर चिल्ड्रन, जो हमारी सेकंड ब्लू लाइन है उसके ऊपर से एक कर्व लो, हाफ कर्व, ऐसे। उसके बाद जहां से हमने उस कर्व को छोड़ा है वहीं से एक और स्टार्ट करेंगे हम कर्व, जो हमारी थर्ड ब्लू लाइन को टच करके सेकंड ब्लू लाइन पे आके एक सर्कल से फिनिश हो जाए। और उसके ऊपर फिर स्टैंडिंग लाइन और स्लीपिंग लाइन। छ से छतरी। सब बच्चे बोलो छ से छतरी। लिखा सबने? वेरी गुड अथर्वा, वेरी गुड। वेदांश, शो मी योर्स। Sora, very good. Shonaya, good try. Sharvi, very good. Chirag, show me. Karanveer, very good. Thumbs up for you. Nitya, show me yours. Very good, Abir. You have to put a sleeping line. Abir, you missed that sleeping line. You have to put sleeping line. Okay. Fatima, show me. Very good, Abir. Good. Thumbs up for you. Hussein, show me yours. Hussein. Hussein.
Teacher, see
Very good. Thumbs up for you, Nitya. Good try. Very good, bacha. Keep it up. You are learning fast. Very good. Chirag, show me yours. Chirag. Very good, Chirag. Very good. Keep it up. Very good, Karanveer. Very good, Swara. Very good. You all have done. Very good, Vedansh. Now, today you will get the worksheet and you have to do. Come on, revise. Put your slates down, all of you.
See my.
Yes, very good. Thumbs up for you all. Clap. Now we have to revise. Come on. मेरे पीछे पीछे बोलो। च से चरखा। बोलो। च से चम्मच। च से चम्मच। च से चूहा। च से चाबी। च से चाबी।
चरखा से चाबी। से चूहा। च से चाबी।
वेरी गुड। नाउ छ से कौन कौन बताएगा? छ
से छतरी। छ से छड़ी।
छ से छतरी। देखो, छ से छतरी। छ से छलनी। छलनी, इसमें चाय छानते हैं ना। छ से छत और छ से छड़ी। वेरी गुड। अब मेरे साथ बोलो। क ख ग घ च छ क ख ग घ च और छ। आज हमने सीखा च और छ। च से चम्मच, छ से छतरी। तो आज आपको वर्कशीट मिलेगी और आप छ का प्रैक्टिस करना। ओके, गॉट इट ऑल ऑफ यू?
ओके मीनाक्षी टीचर, थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू। धन्यवाद बच्चों। बाय
एवरीबॉडी से धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद बच्चों, बाय।
धन्यवाद, बाय बाय।
Thank you. God bless you.
A very good morning to everybody. Let me see who everybody has entered. Wow, a very good morning to all. So y'all are learning a lot of Hindi, huh? All the letters y'all are learning. Very good. Keep it up. Now today is what? Today is Wednesday. Which day of the week is today? Do y'all remember? Which day of the week? Today is Wednesday, and today is a brainstorming session. What Lubaina teacher has told you to keep so many things ready. So they all are ready. Let me see. But first, what are we going to do? First, we'll welcome everyone. Good morning, Yuvan. Good morning, Nitya.
Ma'am, my father a spider.
Spider, very good. Show me. Oh my God, in the jar. Good, keep it up. Very good. Yes, I can see. Wow. Very good. Okay, so now let's have exercise. What did I tell you all to keep ready? Did Mama tell you all? Jabin teacher has told you all to keep something ready. Lubaina teacher told you all to keep papers and so many things ready. I had told you all to keep something ready. What was that? It is a ball. So show me, is it there with you? Everybody must be having a ball. If you don't have a ball, you can make a ball out of paper also, right? So let me see, is the ball ready with everyone?
The balls
Very good. I can see Hussein. It's the favorite of the boys, right? Shriyash, Nitya, very good. Keep it up. Vedansh, Zain, Yuvan. Wow. Okay. So now, what are we going to do with this ball? Today we are going to do some exercise with the ball. Very good. Abir is having two too. Wow. Very good, Abir. Keep it up. Then Karanveer, very good. Now, if you are sitting near on a chair, if you have a table nearby, if you don't have a table, you have your floor, right? So, what are we going to do with this ball? We are going to first see. Karanveer, look at Jabin teacher first. We are going to dribble the ball. We are going to count with the ball. We are going to catch the ball, okay? We are not going to let him go away on the floor. Fine. So, are we ready? Everybody is ready. Say, yes, teacher. Everybody is ready. So let's dribble the ball, okay? First, hold the ball in one hand, in your right hand or your left hand, but one first in your right hand. Now, Munira teacher showed you which is your right hand, which you eat, yes, with which some children write with left, but mostly the children write with right. So your right hand, okay? So now, what are we going to do? We are going to dribble the ball. If you have your floor, on the floor, if you have a table, on the table, okay? Let's dribble and catch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now with the left hand. Let me see how strong is your left hand. You know what Jabin teacher is going to do? She's going to take a small ball because this ball is very big. I also have a small ball. Let's dribble with the left hand. You know, left hand is very difficult because you're not used to. It will make your brain work. Yes. So
Small ball. It's a tennis ball.
It's better for you. Use a small ball. Okay, come on. Let's dribble with the left hand and try to catch it. 1. Come on. 2. 3. Left hand. Okay, your other hand. 4. Look at the ball. 5. Don't let it fall. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, what is the idea to do? What is the idea to do? Throw it with your right hand. Try to catch it with the other hand. Okay, see, I'm going to catch it with this hand. Come on, Shreyas, do. Come on, everybody. You're going to throw with this hand. Try to catch with the other hand. Come on. 1. Throw it this. 2. Then your right, then your left. Come on, throw with one hand, catch it with the other hand. Oh my, where is my ball? Okay, so you are going to throw with one hand and catch it with the other. Okay, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, let me see the coordination. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What did you do? You threw it with your right hand. You caught it with your left hand. Then you throw with your left hand. You catch it with your right hand. Now what are we going to do? What else? Now see the ball properly. Okay, first listen to teacher. We are going to pass it from behind. You're going to pass it from behind. You are going to dribble. Pass it from behind. Take with the other hand, not from the front. Okay, come on. 1. Roll it. 2. Take it behind. Take it behind. 3. Oh, very good, Karanveer. 4. Come on, take it from behind. 5. Take it. Stretch your back. Stretch your arms. Woo. 6. 7. Ah. 8. Come on, take it behind. Take it behind. 9. And take it behind. No cheating. No cheating. 10. Now what I'm going to do? Now I'm going to take it in my left hand, dribble and take it around my neck. Okay. Now let me exercise my neck. Come on. 1. Take it behind. Woo. 2. Take it behind your neck. Very good. 3. Take it behind. Very good. 4. Take it behind. 5. Behind. Oh. Yes. Very good. I can see everybody doing. Let me check. Very good. Come on, Insia. Come on. Dribble. Take it behind your neck. Very good. Dribble. Take it behind your neck. Wow. Keep it up. Very good. Don't let the ball go away. Don't let it go away. Okay. Then what are we going to do with the ball? What else are we going to do with the ball? We are going to try to tap it with our hands. Okay. Let's tap it with right hand first. Let's tap it. Come on. I'm going to use another small ball to tap it. See, a tennis ball will be able to tap. If you have a soft ball, it will not go. But try to tap it with your hand. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Then try to tap it with the left hand. Take a lighter ball if you have. A heavy ball will not dribble. Come on with your left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. Did you do with your left hand? Now both the hands I'm going to use. We did it with the right. We did it with the left. Now I'm going to take first with the right. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Try. Very good. Try. I can see Karanveer trying. I can see Abhi trying. All our masters are boys are. Very good, Yuvan. Very good. Good. Keep it up. Everybody's enjoying. Wow. Very good. Lovely. Now, what are we going to do? We are going to balance the ball. If you have a bigger ball, take more fingers. If you have a smaller ball, we'll try to balance it on 2 fingers. Now, I have a small ball. If I have a big ball, I'll try to balance it on my 4 fingers. Come on, try to balance your ball on your hand. Take your hand away. Yes, come on, try to balance that ball on your palm. No problem. If you have a bigger ball, you can use your palm.
Small ball.
Then try to balance it only on 2 fingers. See? I'm using 3. Oh. Try to balance. Oh. Yay. Try to balance. Very good. Then both my hands. Use both my hands. See, I have one big ball and a small ball. Very good. Yeah, let me check. Very good. Very good.
Where's my small ball?
Show me. Let me check in the gallery. Very good, Mustafa, you're not doing? Very good, Ummehani. Very good, Yuvan. Now, you know what footballers do? They balance it on their head. Now, Jaggi teacher is not a footballer, but still I'm going to try. Now I'm going to put it on my head and balance, balance, balance. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, balance, balance, balance. Woo, woo. It's going to come down. Let's balance it on my forehead. This is your forehead, right? So let's balance it on my forehead. Don't fall. Balance, balance, balance. Ooh, where is my ball? It's going to go away. Come on, one more time. Balance, balance, balance. You need to have some concentration. Oh, you little kids can do. Show me, show me. Very good. Okay, try to balance. Okay, you can also try to balance on your head, but it's going to roll away. Oh no, you try to do it on your forehead. Okay, balance, 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 and catch it. What you can do is keep it on your head and try to catch it properly if it's falling. Where did my ball go? Again, try to balance and catch. If it's not, but you have to catch it. Don't let it go. Keep it on your head and let's catch it, catch it, catch it. Yes. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Let's do it 5 times. 2, 3. Come on, come on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Did you balance? Very good. So you can do in the evening, you know, you can do this. You can do lots of balancing, lots of games with your balls. Okay, enjoy. Now, yes, Bacha. Very good. I saw Nitya. You could balance it and catch it. Very good. Clap for all the boys and girls. Very good. Now, it's time to say hello. Let's welcome everybody and then welcome Lubaina teacher is waiting. So let's welcome Lubaina teacher. Now, everybody keep your balls away. Fast. Keep everything away. Otherwise, you will all the time fidget with the ball and you will not listen. Lubaina teacher has to show you so many things. Okay. Chalo. So now, let's have a flow. For every, yes, Bacha, I saw you. Very good. Now keep all the balls away. Let's have an hello for everybody. Wow.
It's time to say hello. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello to you, hello to you, hello to you, hello to me. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello, nice to see you, everyone.
Nice to see you, everyone. Chalo, let's have. But today we are missing Chinky. You know, Chinky is gone to the snow. He was there, right? And we are missing Chinky because Chinky is not there today also. Chinky said, I am still celebrating my Christmas.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, all of you. A very good morning. So are we ready? Everybody is ready? Today, what are we going to do? Yes, come on. Everybody show me. Today, lot of skills we are going to do. These are your magic fingers. These are your magic fingers. And your magic fingers are going to do a lot of work. Come on, tell me. What do you do with your fingers? Can you tell me? Socho. Today's brainstorming session. Now, how many fingers we have? 1. Let's count Lubaina teacher's favorite song. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little fingers. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little fingers. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little fingers. 10 little magic fingers. Okay, so these are very important part of your body, like your eyes, like your nose, like your legs. Your fingers and your hands are very important. Okay, come on, let's do one exercise with our fingers. Okay, open them. Come on, everybody. I want everybody to do. Come on, open them, shut them. Open them, shut them. Give a little clap. Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them. Lay them on your lap. Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them. Right up to your chin. Open up your little mouth. Do not let them in. Out. Okay, so this is what is going to happen. Your fingers are very, very important. Okay, so now show me your fingers. Close before, because with these fingers, now tell me what do we do with our fingers? Socho, can you tell me? What do we do with our fingers? Who will tell me? Fingers se kya karte ho? This is your fingers, this is your palm, and this is your hand. So with the fingers, what do you do? Come on. Jabin teacher told you, with your finger and hand, you catch the ball, you throw the ball, you roll the ball, and then slowly, when you go to school, what do you do with your fingers? You put your fingers like this in your pocket and move? No. What do you do with your fingers? Come on. Kya karte ho? Writing. Yes, we write with our fingers. Can we write with our mouth? Can we write with our mouth? No. Can we write with our ears? Can we put the pencil in our ears and write? No. We have to write with we need our fingers. And which fingers? This finger? This finger you hold and write? No. This finger you hold and write? No. This finger? No.
Right.
Thumb. This is your thumb finger. This is your index finger. This is your middle finger. This is your ring finger. And this is your pinky finger. But for writing, you need to hold a pencil between thumb and index. Okay, this is the main important fingers for writing. Thumb and finger. Okay, middle finger. Then you hold it and give see how Lubaina teacher is given a rest. You're resting. Your pencil cannot be very small. You need a big pencil for writing, or a chalk, or a crayon, anything. If this is a pencil and this is a crayon, you cannot put the crayon here. Can you hold a crayon like this and color? No, that is wrong. You always have to hold between thumb and index finger like this. Okay, tight. Okay?
Teacher, look at my new pencil. Santa Claus gave me.
Yes, and very good. You must use pencils. You must use crayons. You must not use pen. You are too small for using pens. Okay? You are a small children. When you slowly grow like Papa and Mama and Bhaiya, then you will use ink pen. You will use ball pen. But now you have to use pencil and crayons. Okay? And now, first when we go to school, everybody has a slate. Yes, this is a slate. It is why we use a slate in the baby school when you are a baby. Why Mama makes you use the slate and the chalk, teacher? Because it is very, very smooth. It is very, very smooth. See, the chalk is very... Now, how will you hold the chalk? How Lubaina teachers told you? Thumb and index finger. And tight, like this. Okay, it should be tight. Come on, everybody's got a slate? Yes? And the first stage, I know upper KG has done everything and they are writing. But whenever you go to school, teacher tells you, scribble. You love scribbling, no? All your gussa, all your anger is come here, scribble. And you cannot go anyhow. You cannot go like this scribbling. It is wrong. You have to scribble from left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right. All this is scribbling. See, if you scribble like this, it is looking very dirty. That is not the right way, okay? You have to scribble because always writing goes from left to right. Does it go up to down? Yes, in numbers we do write 1, 2, 3 up to down. But in language, we do scribbling and everything writing from left page to right page. Okay, so you have to hold the chalk properly and first you scribble. Now, once you finish scribbling, teacher tells you to draw something on the slate. Yes, Come on, rub, everybody. Chalo, now come, we'll draw with something with circle. Come on, what do you think with circle? What can we draw? Sun. Very easy. So never mind if the circle is not proper. Everybody's got slate and chalk? Yes? Very good. Come on, take the chalk, take the slate and make a nice round circle. Okay? And what does the sun have? Rays, right? So you can do one small line, one big line, 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 one small line, one. Oh, look, my son is done. Is your son done? Oh, lovely, lovely. Yes. And then to make it funny, you can put eyes. And how hello song the son is saying, and goodbye also he's saying. Hello, he's welcoming you, no? So this is a smiley face. See how nicely you can draw. Yes. So with the circle shape, we drew the sun. Okay. So that way you have to start after scribbling. Everybody has to start drawing on the slate. Never mind if it is big, if it is small, if it is not proper. Now what do you want to draw with a circle? Should we draw a lollipop? Do you know how to draw a lollipop? Everybody rub. Chalo, now we'll draw a lollipop. How do we draw a lollipop? Lollipop. It is round circle on a long stick. I'll just take a bite. I'll just take a lick. And soon I'll finish my lollipop on a long stick. Wow. See, I drew the lollipop with a circle. Now, do you want to draw up, down mountain? Up, down, up, down, up, down. I can draw mountain. I can draw sun, half sun. The sun is rising. Yes. How to draw tree? Do you know how to draw tree? I will draw two standing lines. Okay. And then I'll draw bumpity, 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 bumpity. See, with the chalk, you can draw very smoothly. With the pencil, it will take a lot of time. And if you take a pen, you will not be able to draw it because you need to put pressure. Okay. So now this is slate work. Okay. It is very important. Whenever you are free, you must do lot of slate work. Okay. Now, what am I going to do after you have done lot of up, down? You can make these strips. See, Lubaina teachers cut a strip because you want to learn writing. No, you are not just going to draw baby drawing and everything. You're going to start writing. So on the strip, you have to go up. And good job. Yeah. See how Lubaina teacher. Up, touch the line. Those who can't write, they have to do up, down. Up, down. See, it becomes very easy. So all the mamas, please cut strip for the children. And on the strip, if they cannot touch the line in the books and everything, then you can do up, down pattern. Then you can do which pattern? Pumpity pattern. When you do pumpity, you write P and C and D. So smoothly. But you have to hold the chalk crayon properly. Okay. See, we have fat crayon, thin crayon. When you are a small baby, you use a fat crayon. And then as you grow up, you use a thin crayon. Okay. So that was it. Now, if you have a paper, you can do scribbling. Left to right, left to right. You have to hold the crayon properly and left to right, left to right, left to right. Even coloring. If teacher draws some apple for you, how are you going to color anyhow? No, you will go nicely from the edges and no coloring straight. You have to go left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right, and you will fill the spaces. Okay, everything has to be done very neatly. You all are babies. Okay, so now this is the crayon.
Teacher!
Yes, tell me. Yes, Vedant, I heard you.
I know how to write cards.
Yes, very good. So now you've already learned the writing stage. So that's very nice. Okay. Now, this was one pre-writing skill. Paper, crayon, chalk, and this. Now I'm going to show you whenever you take a bath, right? Everybody takes a bath, right? Do you take a bath or mama gives you a bath? Everybody takes a bath on their own. Show me a thumbs up. Yes. Oh my God. Otherwise, now you're a big children. You can take a bath on your own also. Okay. So whenever you take a bath, you must tell Mama to give you a sponge. What is this? Sponge. You like to play in the water now? So see, I have put, this is a bucket. There is water inside. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to take the sponge. I'm going to dip it in the water and see what's coming out. Squeeze! Yay! Ah, tight, tight, tight. Remove all the water. Tight, tight, tight. Till now the sponge has no water. And whenever you hold the sponge, you have to hold it like this and squeeze. So you will get a good exercise on your muscle and there's a lot of musty also. Okay, one more time. See, Lubaina teacher is putting in the water. Today when you go for a bath, tell Mama to give you a sponge and a bucket is already in the water. See, now this sponge is all of water. Okay, now I'll hold this sponge properly like this and now squeeze, squeeze. I'm doing it. Very good. See, wow, 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 squeeze. Tight, tight, tight. Ah, no water should be there. Ah, now there is no water. See, there is no water anywhere. So this is also a very good exercise. You can take 2 sponges and you can put 2 water and you can pour water on your head and have lots of fun. Only in the bathroom. Okay? If you do it outside, it will be too messy. Then teacher makes you play water play also now. In the school, we have bucket and water. Then teacher will say, okay, put your hand in the water and then play. But you lead and exercise your fingers in the water. Because all this exercise will make your muscles stronger. And then you can write very nicely. Okay? So this was water play. Now, one more important pre-writing skill. This is called pre-writing skills. Okay? Now, everybody has a newspaper, right? Yes? See, what is this? This is a newspaper. Everybody must be having. Now, see how, first you see, then you all do it. Okay? See, Lubaina teacher will hold the newspaper like that, both the hands and thumb and not like this. You don't have to tear the paper with your palm. You have to hold thumb, index paper and tear. Come on, come on. Then join. Then listen, listen. Difficult. This is one paper. So very, very easy. Now you will put 2 papers together. And again, thumb, index paper here and tear. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Yes, easy. This is also very easy. Now put all the papers together. Okay. Now thumb, index paper and tear. Come on, show me, show me. Are you doing it? Ooh, more difficult. The big paper became very small. Right? Again, join all the papers. Now it's going to be very, very tough for Lubaina teacher. And you also. Show me, show me. Are you all doing it? Shreyas, I can't see you doing it. Everybody's doing it. Mamas, please make them do because they are missing this. All this was their school activity, which used to do it every day. See, now so many papers are together. Not one paper, many papers. Now, thumb, index paper, 1, 2, 3, tear your, oh, see so many, I could tear it. Could you tear it? Yes, Shreyas is also tearing it. Very good, very good. Now still small, who can do it? Let me see. Ah, now Lubaina teacher will not be able to do. Even my hands are very strong. Lubaina teacher is about 50 years. But now you all are very young. You all have to develop this skill. Okay, come on. Ah. See, I tore it. And then what do? We throw it up and we say, bits of paper, lying on the floor, makes the place untidy. Pick them up, put it in the dustbin, pick them up. Everybody's going to pick these papers afterwards, okay? Now, take one paper, everybody. Take a paper in your hand. Yes, everybody take a paper in your hand. Yes, small paper. Yeah. And what are we going to do? We are going to make, fold it, fold it, fold it. Yay! And see with your finger. Now, Lubaina teacher is rolling it with 2 fingers. Roll, roll. Come on, Vedansh, are you doing it? Everybody's doing it.
I don't have a paper, but I have a book only.
No problem. Get a newspaper if you have. See how I made it into a ball. Can you see? Like, this is giving you a very good exercise with your thumb because these 2 fingers you need to catch your pencil. I made one ball. I'm taking another paper. Come on. With both your hands. I'm taking 2 papers in both my hands. See, left hand you don't use for writing. You use your right hand. But left hand also needs to be exercised. Come on, see how I'm taking. I'm not touching it. I'm rolling, rolling, rolling. Tight, tight. The ball should not slip. Tight, 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 tight. Yeah. See my all balls. Now, if you want to take up big balls, you have to have a big paper. See, this is my big paper. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do? 1, 2, 3. All the papers are all getting crumpled. I make a big ball. Okay, a big ball I'll make for you. See, this is my big paper. What you have to do? 1, both your hands. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Roll. Tight, 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 tight. Yes, see my ball. This is a big ball and this is a small ball. Okay. Now this you have to do lot of exercise. Okay. This will. Ball. I saw your ball. Very nice. Alifia, very good. Sharvadi, show me. Mustafa, show me your ball. Big ball, small ball. Are you doing it or Mama is helping you? I can see.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Luki Pookie is also doing it. Zain, yes. You are making balls. Very good. See, it's giving you so nicely.
Lubaina teacher.
Yes, yes, Nitya. I can see your ball also. Small ball and big ball and very nice. Okay? So this is how you make balls.
Lubaina teacher, see my.
Yes, Karanveer, I can see. Very nice. Okay? And see, this is big ball. Big
No, mine. Abir.
Abir. Yes, Abir. 1 minute. I will see yours also. Lovely. Very nice, Abir. Yes. So now you might be having coloring papers also. I will show you an activity with it. Okay. So this is the balls. You have to press it. If you don't press it, it will open. Then will it look like a ball? No. So you have to press. One hand also you can press, press, press and make it into a ball. You can play with the ball if you don't have. Okay. So this is how you will develop. This will help your thumb and index finger to become very strong. They are saying, please give me more food, give me more exercise. Then I can hold the pencil properly. Okay. Because when you hold a pencil, you need these 2 fingers. Okay. So this is it. Now, everybody, Mama has brought this thing for them. Wow. Is everybody having this? Do you have this? Okay. Now you can make balls and you can see this is that you can draw to make it more fun. This is very boring. Every time you just make me do balls and you don't tell me to throw it in the dustbin. But you can make a nice craft also. You know that? How to make a craft? This is what is this? Ice cream cone. This ice cream cone is looking very sad. There are no paper balls on it. So we will decorate this ice cream cone. Okay. See, I have which kind of paper? I have white paper. I'm going to crumb. White. What is the white? White cone. Which flavor you get in white? Vanilla ice cream. Okay. First we fill the cone. Yes. We will fill the cone with See, I have brown paper. I'm going to tear the paper. I showed you not newspaper. I'm going to tear the brown paper. If you have color papers and you want to make a craft, then you have to tear. See, I've torn the brown paper. Okay. Then I'm going to put fairy stick on the cone here. See, I'm going to put fairy stick everywhere. Here. And then I'm going to stick the brown paper because the cone base is brown, right? See, very good. My cone is getting ready. It was white. Now I'm making my cone colorful with all the paper tearing craft. Okay. This is your candy also. You have to have a candy and do one craft and show me. Okay. Wow. Still more I'll put. Yes. So that all my cone is brown. Now, which flavor? There are 3 scoops. Okay. We will have vanilla flavor. We will have mango flavor and we will have orange flavor. Okay. So first let's take a vanilla flavor. For the vanilla flavor, I need to make white paper. I'm making a ball, big ball. Okay. Because ice cream scoops are small. No. So I'm going to put the vanilla flavor in the middle here. And I'm going to stick the vanilla. Oh, lovely. Now, which flavor did I tell you? Mango ice cream. Mango is which color? Yellow color, right? So I'm going to take yellow paper. I'm going to make my 2 scoops I want. Vanilla, I want 1 scoop. So I'll make 2 balls. 1 ball and 2 ball. Yes. And I will put it around here. 1. Yes, 1 here. And 1 here, okay? Now here's my 1 flavor of mango and make it tighter, otherwise your ball is not going to look like ball, okay? Lubaina teacher is showing fast, so she's not pressing it too much. So here is it done, okay? Now orange flavor in the ice cream, orange ice cream. Who likes orange ice cream? Anybody likes orange ice cream? I will take a orange paper and I'll make a nice ball. Soft paper. You cannot take a chart paper. Otherwise, no balls will be done. Okay? So this is an orange and I will put the orange ice cream here. Orange scoop here. Wow. See, my cone is ready. Who wants to eat this? Oh, see, if I don't put it properly, it is going to fall off. Okay, see here. Ah. See my cone. Vanilla ice cream, mango ice cream, strawberry ice cream, and the cone is brown. Yes? Anybody's done it? I told Mama to draw a cone. If anybody's done it, you can show.
The small cone with every flavor.
Yes, you can make. With small balls, what you can make? Ice cream scoop. So I made big balls, okay? But now I'll show you something. Let me put the ice cream away. And here, what I have made a nice ball. See? I have put different colors of small ball. I've put yellow color, I've put brown color, I've got pink color. Now we put orange color. Okay? So come on, I make, how many balls should I make? 1 ball, 2 ball, then 3 ball. Let me see. Yes. I want to make 3, 4 balls. And I will complete my big ball with different color. Okay, 1 minute. Give me time. And then we will stick 5, 6 balls in that. And we will complete the ball color. Okay, 1 minute. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little orange color. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little orange color. Now, see, I'll complete this. Okay. Now, I will put here all the Fevicol. Yes. And I'm going to stick my orange balls. 1 ball, 2 ball, 3 ball. One minute. I will have to see yours. 1 minute. I'll just 2 minutes. Let me stick and complete my ball. Then you show me your ball. Okay. Wow. See, my ball is ready. You can make lovely craft with this. And at the same, come on. Who wanted to show me? Who wanted to say your name so that I can see you on the screen, bacha? Very good. Yes, anybody wants to show me? Yes, Karanveer also I'm seeing. Lovely one. I can see Hussein is still doing it. Yes. And who's done it? Show me. Oh, I cannot see the slate properly. Okay, so you can do it afterwards also. You can do it afterwards because today your candy is to show me the craft like that. Paper tearing, making balls. All this is your candy today. Okay, so you have to show me.
Ma'am, I don't have Felicol. My Felicol is dry, so I cannot make you. You will send me recording.
Yes, you can do it afterwards also and show me. See this, Lubaina teacher has made a nice fish also. She cut all papers, she paper tearing, how we tore the newspaper into small papers. No? She did this also. Okay, so you can make lovely craft, paper tearing, small balls, big balls. Okay, and then you can show me, send me the picture, right? Yes, so this is really fun. You must do it every day. You must not wait for anybody. Okay, now one more thing. So, everybody's got scissors? Everybody's got scissors? Yes? This is also very good exercise. Okay? This is a scissor. What is this? Scissor. Scissor. It is a scissor. You can't say scissors. You have to say pair of scissors. Okay? Now see this. Thumb, index finger. You have to hold like this. Come on, everybody hold like this. Everybody has a scissor. Come on. Hold the scissor like this. Thumb. You cannot hold the finger like scissor like this. Can you hold the scissor like this? No. Not even this finger. Can you hold the scissor? No. Only your thumb and index finger. Okay? And then you take a newspaper. Yes? Will you take a newspaper or any paper and cut? See how? Cut. Cut. And see this. You have to put this will go right on your okay? This will go inside. And then both these fingers open, close. Open first, practice everybody. You can put two also. 2 fingers also inside. Open, close. Open, close. Come on, do the practice. Open and don't take a sharp scissor. For children, you must always use a blunt scissor. Okay? Otherwise, you will get hurt. Open, close. Open, close. And then you have to yes, everybody has a paper. Yes, now come on, show me. And now take the scissor like that in your right hand. Can you take the scissor on your left hand? No, you have to take a right hand and you have to cut. Then you have to move ahead. Cut. Yes, it looks very easy, but it is not easy. Lubaina teacher is very strong and old, so she can use scissor like fatafat. But for you to press is very difficult. Okay, are you using it? Show me your scissor first. Do the exercise, scissor exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then what are we going to do? Do you have any paper like this which has pictures on it? Do you have? Now that you have to hold it in your left hand. Okay? Scissor in your right hand, paper in your left hand. And then you have to cut on the border, cut around the picture, and then show me the picture. Come on, show me. Try. It's very difficult. I know it is difficult because it takes a lot of time. Come on, I can see everybody doing it. Wow. Let me see the gallery view. Come on. Who is doing it? See, I think, yes, Chirag is trying. Come on, Nitya is trying. Very good, Nitya. Take a paper. Swara Janardhan, Shreyas, I want Ivan. Why aren't you trying it, bacha? Sakina, are you trying it? Sakina is trying it. No, no paper. Paper is newspaper. Very good. Ivan is trying it, especially for the younger kids. Now you can start giving them scissor. See, I have made a picture. Oh, lovely. My Karanveer has done it. Superb. Was it easy, Karanveer? Was it easy? Was it easy? You use the scissor and the...
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Very good. Karanveer, keep it up. Oh, lovely. I can see. Yes, I can see all of you. Very good. Hussein is good. Mustafa is also fine. Okay? Never mind. You all are babies. Still, you all will take time. All kids. Wow, lovely. Very good. Everybody is doing it. I'm very happy. Okay? Chalo, use this skill which is very, very...
Ma'am.
Yes, Abhi?
Ma'am.
Yes. Very nice.
I finished.
You finished? Very good. See, Lubaina teacher, what you can do, you can make a cutting afterwards also. See, Lubaina teacher took a newspaper, then she cut a pizza picture. Whatever pictures you like, you have to take the scissor, not with your hand, okay? Now try to use scissor. You are growing big and you all need to make your hand very strong. So you're going to cut it and you're going to put it and stick it on the page and make your picture book. You can make it as a picture book. See, that is a present. There is 2020, which is opposite. That is why you're seeing mirror image. There's a pizza. There is a mayonnaise and sauce bottles. Okay, so this is my book. Okay, even you can make a book of it by cutting pictures and then send me this picture also. Okay, everybody's done. Everybody's done with this thing. Tell me, show me. Done with your cuttings? Should I go with the next? Which we did? We did scribbling, we did drawing on the slate, we did up-down pattern on the strips, we did crayon scribbling on the paper. Then what did we do? Paper tearing, making balls, making a nice collage. And now we'll do one more thing before we depart, okay? And everybody has chakla belan. Come on, show me, show me. Where is my chakla belan and atta here? Wow, can you see? Wow, come on, everybody take the ball of atta, put the papers. Afterwards, we'll see bits of paper and I'm going to put it in the dustbin, okay? A lot of paper messes there, even in Lubaina teacher's school. Come on, take the atta. Everybody take the atta with me. Come on. It's time to put the papers away. Papers away. Papers away. Take the atta. Chakla belan. Atta. Okay. First, everybody make it round and round. This is the way we roll up ball. Roll up ball. Roll up ball. This is the way we roll up ball. To make some nice roti. Yes. So this is a ball. See, when you're rolling the ball, you're using all the parts of your hand, the fingers, the palm, and everything. So nice exercise. You become very strong. Then you can roll it like Lubaina teacher. Wow! Concentration. Jabby teacher taught you, no? Concentration. Yes. Okay. Now, do you want to do chakla belan? Okay, and make a nice roti. This is my chakla, and this, when you're rolling, you have to roll with both your hands. You can't do it with one hand, okay? See, this is the roll. We roll the rotis. Roll the roti. Banao, baba, roti. Banao. Jaldi, jaldi, roti. Banao. Bodi, bodi, roti. Mummy, go do. Choti, choti, roti. Mujhe de do. See, my roti is round. Anybody's roti is round? Yes, anybody's roti is round? I, Lubaina teacher, also can't make proper roti. Oh, wow. Very good. I can see Karanveer. I can see Nitya, everybody. Swara, are you doing it? Swara, Janardhan, I can only see your face. Luki Puki, you're doing it? Chirag is doing it. Zaim? Very good.
Don't have chakla.
Oh, you don't have chakla? Then it's okay. We don't need. Now we will do something else. Come on. You have atta, no, Abhi? Come on. Now make it roll, 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 roll. Now we'll make a, what you want? Snake? Everybody wants to make a snake with this? Chalo, come on. Everybody roll, 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 roll. I'll take a small ball. Okay? Take a small ball. Roll, 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 roll. See, Lubana teaches rolling, 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 rolling. 1 minute. I will put it on my speaker view. Yeah. See, rolling, 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 rolling. It will become a long snake. Woo! Again, big, 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 big. Wow! My hand is getting exercise. Now from down, 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 down. See, my snake is wiggling. It's a wiggly, wiggly snake. Ooh! Fun! It is fun, fun, fun. Oh, now, yes. Now I will press this button. Ooh! The snake is coming on the laptop, and the snake is saying, "Hello, children. I am here to bite you." Okay, see, I made a snake. Now, the same snake, I can make a necklace also. You can make a necklace? Yes. I can make a mummy's bangle also. I can make a watch also. You want to see how Lubana teacher makes a watch? First, she'll make a round thing. Then she'll take another thing. Round, 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 round. And this is my watch. In school, we used to make this, right? We used to have so much fun making all these things, right? See my watch, right? Now, ooh, we used to make, remember in school? Nitya, can you remember Lubana used to make this mushti? This is my mustache. Ho, 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 ho. Santa's beard. Oh, Santa's mustache, okay? Dadaji's mustache also you can make. And what else you can make? Tell me. What else you want to make? Big ball, small ball. Then we used to make an elephant. Remember how we used to make an elephant? See, Lubana. Yes, yes. Tell me, tell me. Ah, now see, this is my elephant. Now, elephant has big ears, right? Ah, this is my ears of the elephant. Okay. Now I'm going to make a trunk of the elephant. Ooh, roll, 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 roll. And this is my trunk of the elephant. Oh, see, elephant is so big and fat. He walks like this and he walks like that. Yes? Duck, duck, duck. Anybody knows how to make a duck? Yes? Come on. I'm going to pull, pull, pull. Yes. Pull, 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 pull. And this becomes my duck. You have to shape it with your hand and only close that. See my duck. My little duck. Yeah, what you made now, show me what you are making. I'm seeing everybody's, okay? Come on, show me. Now, Swaraj, आपने क्या बनाया? So, Abhi, what have you made? No, you are doing something else. Come on. Shravi, what have you made? Have you made? Did you get atta? What you made? Hussein, what are you making? Karanveer, what you made? Oh, yes, Karanveer just put the atta on his head, forehead. Yes. Elephant you're making? Oh, lovely. Nitya is also doing it.
Bowl.
You want, what have you made? Oh, lovely. Chirag, what have you made? Show me, show me. It is a nest.
Bowl.
Bowl. Very good, Chirag. Insia, what are you making? You can continue, okay? You want, what have you made? Bowl or a bird? You're making a duck? Amira, what have you made? Mustafa, what have you made? Amira, Mustafa, show me. Mustafa has made anything?
Roti.
Yes.
Chapati.
And what else have you made? Come on, tell me, show me. No, and Zaim is also made. Zaim is not making. Zaim is watching everybody, I think. Okay. Anybody else made? Lovely. Luke, what have you made, Bacha? Have you made anything, Yuki Puki? Mama Daman is also making. And all of you are trying. Christopher is making. Okay.
Teacher Diya.
Yes, I saw it.
Diya.
Now also you can make. Very nice. Very
Diya.
nice.
Roti.
What you make? Pizza? Pizza. Lovely. And come eat your pizza. Okay. So everybody can make like this. Okay. This is also very good. Okay. With your hands and this. So come on, tell me what we did today. We did paper tearing, balls, water play, chakla pelan, scissor cutting. Okay, lot of things we did. So whole day today you make one thing and send me a picture, right? Everybody enjoy? This will help you to do your writing. Okay, your thumb and index finger will become very soft. And whenever you hold a pencil, a crayon, you cannot hold it like this. You have to hold it like this. Okay. So everybody's done. Yes. I'm so happy that we did today this session because in school, we were doing it. Everybody was doing it, right? So now it's time. What do we say? It's time for goodbye.
Bye 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 bye.
So let's.
Bye bye, Lava.
Yes.
Lava,
1 minute.
ma'am.
Mindu, that is very cute. And it's time to say goodbye.
Oh yeah, kids, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone.
And don't forget to share the picture of the collage, what you're going to do. That is the candy, yes.
Teacher Ben.
Okay, chalo. Bye, everybody. See you tomorrow. Goodbye. Take care. And do lot of free writing skills. Okay, bye.